In this video, we're making these chocolate chip cookies, which are really yummy, and they're also eggless. These are all the ingredients you're going to need to make the cookies, so let's get started. So first, to your flour, you're going to add the baking soda and mix that well. Then in another bowl, you're going to take the butter and melt it either in a microwave or in a double boiler. Once the butter is melted, add in the white sugar and the brown sugar and whisk them for about a minute or two until they're well combined. Then add in the milk and mix it in. Also mix in the vanilla extract. Then add in the flour to this. Gently mix in the flour using a spatula just until it is combined. Then add in the chocolate chips and just fold them in until they're distributed evenly. And your cookie dough is ready. Then you're just going to scoop out tablespoonfuls of the cookie dough onto a baking tray which is greased well. Keep repeating for the entire dough and make sure to leave an inch or two gap between the cookie dough balls so that they have space to rise. And then you're going to bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 12 to 15 minutes. Bake them for longer if you want them more crispy and lesser if you want them more chewy. Once they're done, let them cool on a cooling rack. And then you can dig in and enjoy. These cookies are absolutely heavenly and they're so easy to make. You can whip them up at any time for coffee or tea. They would also make a perfect treat for this festive season. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe and I'll see you soon with a new one. Bye!